Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by prepping. Charge both AirPods above half and put them in. On your phone or laptop, open Bluetooth and pair them, then immediately set them as the input device. Once connected, open a simple recorder or voice settings and record a quick 3-5 second clip to confirm signal and volume. If the device shows separate left/right mics, choose the active side. This gets you past the initial barrier so you can use AirPods as a microphone now. Once done pairing, go into your system sound preferences and explicitly select AirPods under Input. Then open the app you'll use, meeting, streaming, or recording, and set the app's microphone to AirPods too, because apps can override system defaults. Make sure to set input gain to a reasonable level so you avoid clipping. Lower echo cancellation if you need fuller tone. If latency matters, pick the device profile that balances audio quality versus delay. These steps ensure audio is routed reliably to your AirPods mic. Finish by optimizing placement. Orient the stem toward your mouth and keep distance about 1-2 inches for clarity. Once optimized, toggle software noise suppression only if it improves intelligibility. Sometimes it strips consonants. For persistent issues, restart Bluetooth, reset AirPods by holding the case button, then repair. If you still get dropouts, switch the device to use a single AirPod or use a wired adapter. One troubleshooting tip: when audio drops, repairing often restores the microphone faster than deeper system troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.